Well, we got our number 2 in. What we did was we found the cheapest place on Ali and ordered the cheapest kit. So this wasn't even 110 bucks shipped. So, all right, babe. Shred her open. We'll see what the differences are. Hopefully they're the same exact kind of car. But I know mine was one of the early ones. It was 432, and I heard guys complaining that some inconsistence, diff stuff and all that. So
I have knives everywhere. Let me give you a screwdriver.
I know. There's one right here. Here, yeah. Let me give you something difficult now that you're already done. That's a dodo daddy. Okay. So same controller. Or 1,308. So that's quite a bit further down the line. Let's see if who the hell I remember. I forgot how nice they look when you open them up. Same stuff. Very simple. No frills on this one. Lots of packing though. Where you going, babe? Just look inside and see if. Yeah. Looks about the same. Looks about the same. All right, let's get them next to each other and make sure. Well, there they are. There's 432, and I think this is in the 1300s. So we're getting up there. I guess that's just the way they're doing it. 1308. Looks like they put a sticker on top of a sticker, just like the first one. That's so nice. Yeah, they look pretty much the same. They should be. They're the same car. So we'll get the battery charged up on this girl and see if there's any differences. Maybe we'll have time today to do some playing at Grandma's house. Holidays and all, we're kind of doing the cemetery thing and all that. Memorial Day, people, it's important. Anyways, red, white, blue. Too bad they're Chinese. Anyways, yeah, that's just a quick unbox, compare. I'll do another clip once we get them running, make sure they're all the same, but they feel right. And also, now that means I can rip this apart. So I'm going to try and see if these are the same center diff as the 124017s and those ones, the LC styles. Now that we got a second one and I don't mind being down. Yeah, now my daughter and I can both play. Anyways, hope you like. Yeah. Thanks for all the subs and comments and everything else. You guys have been awesome. I appreciate it. Happy Memorial Day. So, first thing I noticed right off the muscle. Sorry to come back after saying Happy Memorial Day and all that. So maybe I'll cut all this up and make a better video. But the first thing I noticed is stuff's not even mounted on this one. So they definitely have some quality issues. This should be nice and snug. Now mine is still pretty snug and it pops out when I'm riding. Like this thing has come off. But that's, you guys have seen the abuse I put on these. And that's weird. The other one was not set up like that. They were next to each other, so it was channel 1 and channel 2. So that is weird that that's got set up in channel 1 and 4. I think it's 4. Yeah, 1 and 4. And it's a little different. That little button is different. So it has changed. By the time they got to here, they've made some changes. So we'll see if they're important or not. And I really do dig this spreading that out a little more. It changes the... It changes your droop quite a bit. It pulls those shocks up, so they're pushing more up than down. Anyways, yeah, get the batteries charged and hopefully I'll find a place to rip these a little bit. I'll keep commenting when I see anything different. All right. We got dual 12 408s. Lauren's got the new one with the 200 or 2000 mAh battery. I got the old one with the refixed front end. Both 3S. What?
I don't have my boots.
Yeah, I don't either, so no crazy driving. What? You're probably gonna mess with the whoa! So pretty happy. Don't hit these. Those are so insane.
They're so fast.
I know. Whoa.
That was little.
Yeah. Now we can race together, Lauren. Do a burnout. Like that. Whoa, that's so fast in reverse. Ooh. Burnout time.
I thought we were gonna race.
Oh, you want to race? You want to race? Get out of the gravel. I'll be winning no matter what. Let's go this way. Okay, you got to say go. So fast. We gotta get these on the track, right? And I bought servos for him. I knew that bump was there. I hit it before. It's crazy how a little rut turns into a fun place. I really love these cars, Mark. These are the best cars we got. They need better steering, but they always do.